Hello, so there's another short video how you can claim your the FLR finance beta tokens. So these are also not real tokens, it's on a testnet, but it's just also like so we can test the functionality. So there are the different FLR finance solutions out there. There are 6 different solutions out there. I can't recall them exactly. So it was Wrap, Mine, and so on. So I can't recall them perfectly. So we could quickly look at the ecosystem overview map, then we'd see that. But there's a tool where you can do that. So we need a Web3 wallet, meaning like MetaMask or any other Web3 wallet. Then you can see claim tokens on Robst network. So we have to switch to the to the Coston network. I meant to the Robst network. Right. Oh, my bad. No, we have to switch to a Coston network. My bad. So we will switch to a cost network. We will acquire the gas funds, claim tokens on Coston. So you can click on that, click on claim, and add cost tokens to wallet. So we'll just click on that. So I can add YFlare. I can add YFin. So it's doing all of that for me. Can add YUSD. I can add FXRP. I can add FXLM, and I'm almost done. And I can add FATA, and let's see, we can add FAlgo, and we can add FLTC. So let's see how I think 6 assets or 7, maybe FDoge. Okay, let's go on. And okay, YSL, okay, YTL, okay. Well, let's see. Okay, we feel even Shirino. Sunshu, okay. I don't even know these ones. We got ecstasy, and now I'm ready. Now I'm perfect. Ready for done with the setup process, and we can go to Flare X, for example, or to Flare Farm. But all the beta isn't open currently. So as soon as it works, you can use these tools. So add it so you can see here. You can go to Flare X, Flare Farm, Flare Wrap, and so on. But you can't do that right now, so the beta isn't open yet. But now if you quick look into your wallet, you can see that you now also have all the tokens in there. So if you quickly, assets, yeah, right. So you can see you've got now 1000 FXOP, 1000 FXLM, 1000 FADER, and so on. So it's perfect for testing and stuff like that. And as soon as the gates are being opened for the beta at least, then you can also try it out there. So I'm not familiar with the release schedule when the beta is going to open up again. So it was open one time. I did try it. But now you also know how to claim a token. So we'll also link that it's faucet.flare.finance. There you can claim your tokens in the process here. And right, so that's it basically. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one.